0 to 60. Put in perspective, this is a Stage 3 stroker kit from Clegg Engines. We did all the work ourselves. This also has a Stage 2 cam in there as well. Not sure the grind, but can easily be looked up. It's all through Clegg Engine. Somebody requested a 0 to 60, and also I did install a limited slip rear end in the back. So this thing did chirping pretty hard at launch. So it's a pretty good power increase over stock. But if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Love people fixing up their XJs, especially the 4 liters. These things are amazing vehicles.